If you've ever struggled with motivation to clean, well, you're not alone. I'm Brooke with WTI. This original disinfectant fogger machine by Nordmond has really made it easy for me. I even find my daughter cleaning and enjoying it. So, first off, I really appreciate that it's useful in crevices and areas that are hard to reach. With this blue light, it helps with the cleaning, maximizes that. It holds a charge that's over an hour, easy to fill. My favorite solutions are vinegar and water. So for me, that's perfect. I get that crystal clear finish in my mirrors and a lot of my surfaces, and I feel like I'm tackling my house quickly and efficiently. Something that's surprising is how I went from not using this to finding areas that needed to be clean while using this, and I use it every day. So this has been a wonderful addition. The tank is 10 ounces. I'm not constantly filling it up. I like that it's cordless. It's also light. I think it's useful for many areas. I love it, but that's just my point of view.